Move on now to Chapter 2, Part 2, Body Structure, Oncology, and Laboratory Test. In prefixes, we have dia, which means through or complete, dis, meaning painful, abnormal, difficult, or labored, hyper is above or excessive, hypo is below, deficient, under, and incomplete, and pro means before. Some examples of suffixes include site, which means cell, lology means the study of, oma means swelling or tumor, opsy means view or viewing, and plasia means development, growth, or a condition of formation. In this slide, we're going to compare word roots and suffixes. They have a similar or the same meaning, site and cell, and site in CYTE and cell. Patho means disease, and so does pathy. And then sarco and sarcoma are very similar in definition also. But what we're really seeing is suffixes where a word root is embedded in the suffix. In the case of site, CYTE, and pathy, we have added a Y, but the Y in this case has no separate meaning. Now we're looking at some terms that are built from word parts. So the first one is dysplasia. Dys would mean abnormal in this case, and plasia means development. Epithelial, the AL, it means pertaining to, and the rest of the word means epithelium. Hypoplasia, plasia means excessive development. Hypo means incomplete. So this is hypoplasia means incomplete development. In leukocytosis, leuko means white, and cell is cyto, and osis is referring to an increase. So in this case, or an abnormal condition, and in this case, it would be an increase in the number of white blood cells. Myopathy, myo means muscle, and pathy means disease. So in this case, this is muscle disease. Some oncology terms built from word parts include carcinoma. Carcino means cancerous, and oma means tumor. So this is a cancerous tumor. Liposarcoma. Lipo means fat, and sarcoma refers to malignant tumor. Metastasis, and if you were looking at it in plural, it would be metastases, or you may also hear it referred to as Mets, and this is beyond control of cells from one organ to another, and we see this most commonly in malignant tumors where it spreads from one area to another. Rhabdomyoma is a tumor, is the oma part, and it is composed of striated muscle, so it is a rhabdomyoma. Sarcoma, sarco is referring to connective tissue, and oma again is tumor, so this is a tumor of connective tissue.